Hi, physical science students. I just wanted to introduce you to your first assignment. So, your first assignment is a States of Matter inquiry activity. And what you're going to do is under the classwork tab of Google Classroom, you're going to open up this 01 States of Matter PhET. And you should have one assigned to you by your first and last name or your school email. It'll pop open a new window and you want to read through these directions. So please open the state of matter simulation by clicking here. You're going to click on the hyperlink and it will take you to a new website which is called a PhET interactive simulation. And really quickly, we're going to use PhET simulations all year long. They are basically online labs that allow you to explore different topics. We'll use them for bonding, we'll use them now, and we'll use them in the physics units down the road. So there are two screens here, and right now we're only looking at states of matter. So you're going to click on this yellow box, and it'll bring you to a new screen. So what I want to do is go back to the activity and see how it shows that the screen should look a certain way. So it says, click on the picture that looks like this. We already did that. We already picked on the states of matter. And so now we're going to go down to the activity. And the activity says that solids start by making sure that neon is selected. So when you go to your states of matter, you're going to click up here in the upper right-hand corner. Neon is already checked, so we're good there. And we want to look at what does neon look like when it's in the solid phase. So then you're going to make some observations, and you're going to want to highlight your answers. So I'm going to make the observations for solids and demonstrate what you should do on this PhET. And then I expect you to write your responses for liquids and gases and the temperature changes on your own. So if we look at the states of matter, well, what do we notice about the particles in a solid? Well, we can say a couple of things about the particles in a solid. First of all, we can say that they are moving relatively slowly. And as you see the liquid and gas phase, you'll see this even more. But they are closely packed together. They are moving slowly, and they are basically vibrating in place. So in order to write my response, I am going to type in this box area. And up here, you want to highlight the color, and you want to pick a color that allows me to see what you're writing. So I'm going to pick yellow, just like if I had a highlighter in class, and I would write, let me get there. The particles are moving slowly, and are closely packed together. So you would keep that as your response, and then you would go on and you would do the same thing with liquids. Again, only looking at neon. Then you would look at the gas phase and only for neon. And then you're going to end by looking at what happens to temperature and why you think that happens. So I'm going to go ahead and delete my response here. So it's not in the original, but that is the expectation. And this assignment is due by midnight today. So take care. Bye.